Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Suzuki GSX250R. This lightweight twin sport bike just arrived with only 951 miles. ABS brakes equipped, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Come on by and make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true. This awesome Suzuki GS250R. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Come on by and check it out. Price to sell at just $46.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.